Hello and good day. Today we'll look at the expense menu. The expense menu in the back office is where you can see expenses entered by your front desk officers. You can also manage expenses there, which means you can modify one that was mistakenly entered, and then you can also remove or delete if it is no longer needed. So you tap on the expense menu on the left, it will drop down two other options. You will see list and category. Category is where all the categories of the expense were created. So by tapping on category, I'm going to see all the category that has been entered, the groups of expense that we have entered. For example, bank interest, accountant fees, insurance, repairs, miscellaneous, motor vehicle expense, and so on and so forth. And we have more than 10 here, so we can go to the next page by tapping on these two here. It will load the second page and then we'll see bills. So as usual, to add an expense, you simply need to click on add. An expense category, you tap on add, enter the names. Let's say salary, for example, and then that's all. And then I'll tap on save, which will save the expense and add it to this list. The newest element item you add will be shown first. So if I add another one, it will be shown on top of this salary. That is how the list in this application are displayed. So, and if I want to modify the salary, all I need to do again, like we've talked about before, is to tap on that checkbox there and then tap on edit. It will bring up the expense and then we can modify. So that is how to add expense salary. Now let's see where we can see the expense list that the front desk officers might have had. So we tap on the menu, it brings out the side menu. We tap on list and then we'll see expense list. So here we see all the expenses that has been added and the category that was assigned to them. Again, to add an expense, you simply need to tap on add here. Expense can be added from the front desk or from the back office like this. You enter the category, the title, code can be left blank or will be generated automatically by the system, and the amount for that expense will be entered. Notes, details of the expenses can be entered, and then you save. It is as easy as that. There's no big deal here. I hope this tutorial was easy enough for you to understand, and let us know if you have any questions or difficulty using the expense menu. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.